This video will prove that which of these drinks gives more energy, the orange juice or the sports drink. The makers of sports drinks spend tens to hundreds of millions of dollars advertising their products each year. Among the benefits often featured in these ads are the beverage's high-level electrolytes, which your body loses as you sweat. In this science project, we will compare the amount of electrolytes in a sports drink with those in orange juice. To find which has more electrolytes to replenish, the ones as you lose as you work out or play sports. Scissors, ruler, wire cutter, 24 gauge copper wire at least 1.5 meters or 5 feet, masking tape, straw, multimeter, 9-volt battery. I prefer this kind of wire clips, but you could use alligator clips if you want to. 8 small bowls, sports drink, orange juice, distilled water, and tap water. And you're gonna need some paper and pencil to record the results. Use the scissors to cut 5 centimeters or 2 inches piece from the drinking straw. And with the wire cutter, cut 2 pieces of copper wire, which is each about 12 centimeters or 6 inches long. Wrap around the copper wire around the drinking straw you just cut a while ago, and make sure it's 5 centimeters or 2 inches in the tail of the wire. It'll just look like this when you're done. We will organize our bowls like this and label them so we don't get confused. As you can see, I already filled all the bowls with the mediums we need. There are 3 distilled waters for rinsing, distilled water, tap water, sports drink, and orange juice. Now we're going to connect the multimeter to the battery, to the conductance sensor, as shown in the schematic. Now let's measure the distilled water. I read 5960 microamps. Now let's measure the tap water. I'm reading 9.79 milliamps. And then let's rinse the conductance sensor. Now let's measure the sports drink. I'm reading 48 milliamps. Let's measure the orange juice. I'm reading 59 milliamps. We will do this process 2 more times to gather all the data and get the average on all the measurements. Based on the experiment electrolyte challenge, orange juice versus sports drink, the data on the table above shows that the orange juice have more evidence of electrolytes than the sports drink. Therefore, I conclude that orange juice contains more energy than the sports drink.